There is great news about Lucid Motors coming today, friends. Lucid Motors CEO sees $25,000 electric cars in just 4 years. There is a new interview to Axios, and Lucid Motors CEO Peter Rawlinson doesn't want to be doing wealthy people's cars. He told Axios on HBO in an interview that aired Sunday. So why this matters? Americans are warming up to the idea of electric cars. But purchase price is still too high for many people who also worry about how far their car will go before the battery needs recharging. The $169,000 Lucid Air Dream will while financially out of reach for most people, has an unprecedented 520-mile driving range. Efficiency that can be carried over to lower priced models. The biggest challenge I've always faced was getting money, not going bankrupt, writes Axios story, saying having that investment as a startup to develop this, Rawlinson said, pointing to Lucid's debut model. He said, start with this, but my passion, get this down from $169,000 to under $70,000 by the end of next year, by the end of 2022. This is exactly the same strategy that we have seen with Tesla, starting with the Roadster and then less expensive Model S and then Model 3 and Model Y, and now thinking about $25,000 effective and affordable Tesla. Efficiency is the key, and our technology will drive down the battery pack size in this car, and driving the pack size will drive down the cost, and that's where we get to $25,000 Lucid car, and I think that could come 3 to 4 years from now. But it likely will not be $25,000 Lucid, Rawlinson also told Axios. Instead, it will be other brands selling high-volume models with smaller, cheaper battery packs based on Lucid's efficiency breakthroughs. What's happening here? Citing a growing urgency across the automotive industry, Rawlinson told me, Lucid says, many companies have approached him this year about potentially licensing Lucid's technology. When pressed to name the car makers he is talking to, he said it's a mix of companies that recognizes the train's going to leave the station and they don't want to miss it, but that worry they don't have the time and resources to develop their own technology. Licensing revenue could be a big growth driver for Lucid, helping to finance further vehicle development, he said. But for now, the company's primary focus is getting the first 500 or so Lucid Dream Air Edition models built at its Arizona factory into customers' hands before the end of the year. Now here's the backdrop. Lucid is often painted as the next Tesla, but its hot stock tumbled last week after the company disclosed an SEC subpoena concerning the SPAC deal that took it public this year, followed by a sizable debt offering that could dilute existing shareholders. The startup, which was briefly worth more than Ford Motors last month, still has a market capitalization of $62 billion. Rawlinson defended the valuation, telling Axios on HBO, it's because investors had conferred tech company startups on Lucid that they don't assign to legacy car makers like General Motors and Ford. He also defended Lucid's ownership status, which is 60% controlled by Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund chaired by Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud, who is leading Saudi Arabia already for several years. And so, friends, let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Lucid actually bringing a $25,000 electric model using its efficiency in the next 3 to 4 years. I think this is breakthrough, and I'm thinking that Lucid could be as big as Tesla in 3-4 years because they have a smart strategy, in my personal opinion. Let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily electric vehicle than Tesla news, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. And also, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. God bless you, peace be with all of you, and give us thumbs up, please. We would greatly appreciate it. Let's move on to our next story. Good morning, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. You know, there is also good news this week about Lucid Motors. Everybody was talking about Lucid Motors stocks dropping big time, but there is also good news. In fact, actually, Morgan Stanley applauds Lucid's willingness to take bold risk. That article is calling it audacity, raising another $2 billion less than 6 months after IPO. Yahoo reports that electric car maker Lucid Motors went public on the Nasdaq in July, growing quickly to more than $90 billion in market capitalization through mid last month. The stock has given back about 1/3 of its gains since then, but still retains a market value of $63 billion. Not as much as Ford or General Motors, but not bad for a startup that plans to sell only 520 Lucid Air Dream Edition luxury electric sedans in its first production run. Lucid raised about $4.5 billion in cash from its public offering in July, but apparently that wasn't quite enough cash to make its dreams of growing production from the hundreds of cars into the thousands and tens of thousands a reality. So on Thursday, Lucid announced plans to sell 1.75 billion convertible senior notes due 2026 in a private offering. If underwriters exercise their over-allotment options, the company could conceivably raise in excess of $2 billion in new cash. Lucid's sudden cash grab, coming so quickly on the heels of its IPO, shocked the stock market and sent Lucid shares tumbling more than 18% on Thursday. Not everyone was dismayed, however. Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jones makes the case that despite the stock market's reaction, Lucid's decision to tap the convert market was a quote-unquote wise decision on Lucid's part. Mind you, Jonas is no Lucid fanboy. Far from it, says Yahoo report. His rating on the electric car stock is only in line, that means hold. And his price target on Lucid stock is lowly $16 a share, or less than half of what the stock sells for today, raising the obvious question of whether when he says in line, he actually means cut bait. Yet even so, Jonas argues that from a practical, nay Machiavellian point of view, it makes sense for management to parlay its overpriced stock into some cold hard cash that it can use to grow its business. That's key. By taking advantage of a strong stock price to transform an investor vote of confidence into real hard dollars, notes the analyst. Lucid is taking a page right out of Tesla's own book. Once Lucid completes its debt offering, Jonas believes the company may be able to expand both its manufacturing capability and its stable of electric car models for sale. With the Lucid Air Dream Edition retailing for $169,000, you have to assume there is a limited market for this particular model. As lower-cost Lucid models such as the Lucid Air and Lucid Air Touring come to market, Jonas sees the company selling as many as 15,000 units in 2022. For its parts, Lucid projects sales of 20,000 units. And over the coming decade, the analyst believes the company could grow into a 400,000 car a year business by 2030. At Jones' projected 15% earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization margin applied to, for example, the cost of the company's mid-range Air Touring model, which is going to be sold MSRP $87,500, that might work out to a beta profits of perhaps $5.25 billion in 2030, valuing the stock at about 12 times 2030 EBITDA. Jonas may not be prepared to recommend buying Lucid stock at its current price. But check back in 10 years from now, and we'll see how Lucid stock is doing after that. Let me know, friends, what do you think about Lucid's audacity to raise about $2 billion cash in less than 6 months after IPO, and also Lucid's willingness to take risk to go Tesla's route and have the cash, build expensive cars, sell small amount, raise cash, build mid-expensive cars, and then go to a lower priced cars to appeal more demographics. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily electric vehicle Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And let's move on to our next electric vehicle or Tesla coverage. Tesla Cybertruck has a new and updated design, and with that new updated design, the Cybertruck is spotted at a Tesla Fremont racetrack in the Fremont factory with a giant windshield wiper. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel, as this channel brings 3 to 5 Tesla stories every day. A new Tesla Cybertruck prototype with an updated design has been spotted on the automaker's Fremont factory test truck, and with a video revealed today. It's the best look we had at the upcoming electric pickup from Tesla, the pickup truck, in a while. Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck back in 2019, and for the longest time only a single prototype of the electric pickup truck has been spotted out in the wild and at Tesla events. The vehicle program has been delayed, with production now expected in late 2022. With that extra time, Tesla has been expected to update the electric pickup truck with new features and a slightly updated design. More recently, Tesla disclosed that it has a few alpha prototypes of the updated Cybertruck, and it is soon moving to the beta phase ahead of production within the next year. Now we get a rare look at the latest Tesla Cybertruck prototype, friends. A YouTuber going by Chili AI 100 does drone flyovers of Tesla's Fremont factory and spotted the new Cybertruck prototype on the test truck at the Fremont factory of Tesla behind the Tesla plant. They managed to capture a good 10 minutes of footage, some of which you're seeing on your screen, with credit to them, of the Tesla testing the new electric Cybertruck on the test truck. So the prototype appears to be brand new, with some tape holding some of the trims and cables together. As for the updated design of the new Cybertruck, there are a few things that are obvious, like the massive windshield wiper. Do you like it? What do you think about that massive windshield wiper? Tesla has been developing an electromagnetic wiper system that features a single blade like this, and it has been rumored that Cybertruck will be the first Tesla vehicle to feature the new technology, thinks Electrek. However, we can't confirm, says Electrek, that this is what is installed on this vehicle, as this wiper appears to feature a more traditional, albeit massive, swivel system. The new Cybertruck from Tesla also features side mirrors, something the prototype didn't have. Tesla planned on having side cameras feed into screens inside the electric pickup truck if regulations allowed it, but it's not yet the case in North America. CEO of Tesla Elon Musk has previously said that Tesla plans to still implement this system and make these side mirrors easily removable so that owners can modify them themselves. The new Cybertruck prototype spotted today either didn't have the retractable bed cover featured on the original prototype, or it was fully retracted, thinks Electrek. Tesla appears to also have updated the front lighting of the Cybertruck with 3 smaller lights in the middle between the headlights. Originally, the vehicle featured a full headlight side to side that looked more futuristic. Some are also suggesting that the bed is smaller, but it's hard to tell without comparison at scale. The bumpers, both front and rear of the Cybertruck, look significantly updated with a design that is likely going to be more compliant with regulations. And also, friends, as for the likes, they are similar to the original prototype, as polarizing as ever. Love it or don't like the Cybertruck, this truck is popular with over 1 million reservations. According to the latest tally, Musk recently said that the updated version of the Cybertruck features 4 steering along with 4 electric motors. The rear wheel steering is sadly not visible in this video. Tesla plans to bring the Cybertruck to production at Gigafactory Texas by the end of 2022. Whatever this may be, friends, it still is good sign that Tesla is working on the Cybertruck, and I think that it's getting closer and closer. And I'm thinking that if Tesla has gone this far, it is likely that Tesla may be using the 4680 batteries in the Cybertruck, since it's basically already testing with the new batteries. And as soon as the batteries come into production in Gigafactory Texas and maybe Gigafactory Berlin, Tesla will start the production of the Cybertruck, and your orders will probably come sooner than we think. But some patience is in order right now until Tesla brings this new update Cybertruck version into production. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Let me know your thoughts, friends. What do you think? Let me know them in the comment section below. Let's continue the discussions in the comment section. Do you like these new Cybertrucks? Are there other things that we didn't notice and you noticed? Let them know in the comment section below, please. And subscribe to our channel. God bless you. Give us thumbs up. We would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you and peace be with all of you.